Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to get Windows Update History with PowerShell. So in this video I will show you how to get Windows Update History with PowerShell. I will show you two methods. The first method will be, I would say, more simple. The second one will be more complicated because we will use that for get like a full history of updates. This first one is just for the quick checks, I would say. So we can start with this first one. This is a simple command. This is a built-in commandlet into PowerShell. It is Get-HotFix. If you will type something like this and press enter, in a second you will get the update history. So this returns all installed updates. In that case we have some update with the name of the update, some security updates which were downloaded on the 14th of January 2026. So this is how it looks like. They are filtered by date, I think, but they are every single one of them has the same date, so we cannot really see it. The number of here is a ID of the update, and here you have the source. You can, for example, get them by ID, so you can do, for example, get and hotfix ID. I mean hotfix by ID, and you can just use the, for example, this first one, KB5066131, and you can actually get them by ID if you want to print just one update. Now we will move to the second method, which is something what we call ComObject. So the ComObject method talks directly to the Windows Update agent. The same engine, I would say, that Windows itself uses for these updates, and it will print the full history, every event, and we can check if this event passed or failed. So I will clear that because we have to create 4 variables. So we will create session. This session will store the new object with the ComObject from the Microsoft.Update.Session, like this. So I think this is correct. ComObject, yes. We can press enter. Now we have to do the searcher variable that will store session, so this variable from above, and now .create update and no downloader but searcher. We can close the parentheses, and this is the second variable. The third variable will be history count. That will store the variable from above again, in that case searcher, and now get total history count, like this. We can again close that, and the fourth one, the last one, will be updates. That will store the updates that we are looking for, so searcher, and now query history from 0 to the history count. And now we can close that, and we can display that by just using updates variable like this. And now, as you can see, we are getting a lot of outputs. We have the operation, we have some names, we have the result code, we have the date here. For example, the title and the description. So for example, install this update to revise the files that are used for detect viruses. So this is, I think, the security update. Here you have the one more security update. Some of them don't really have the description, so you have the very weird descriptions, but this is how you can print all Windows updates, the whole Windows Update history with PowerShell. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.